Reverend Father Bong, of course our public officials present this morning, Honorable Josh Cabalban of Cabugao, Honorable Bonito Singson of Bigan City, Honorable Glenn de Guzman of Sinai, Honorable Elaine of San Juan, and other officials. Of course, our franchisee, Ms. Jessie Singson, and the BCS group of companies, the Vice President, Pelma, and other officials. Ito ba ako, hindi dyan nakaplawan. Kada tayo amin na po, ay atek yung patpatiyek ng kaprobinsyahan. Naimbag nga aldaw. Jollibee, more than just a fast food chain, is known to be a symbol of Filipino ingenuity, resilience, and the spirit of community. Its presence here in Cabugao is a testament to our town's potential and the bright future that lies ahead. First and foremost, I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations and deepest gratitude to the Jollibee Food Corporations for choosing Cabugao as the site for your newest branch. Your investment is a vote of confidence in our community and our local economy. I'd like to greet also Ma'am Dayan, our operations director, and all the officials of Jollibee Food Corporation. Amoyo ako, DJ Bigan, medyo maturog ibigan at that time. At the lote di jay bigan nga Kukati Papadi has been there for almost 30 years nga maturog. But when my brother, a businessman then, thought of doing something for vegan, in development de jay po kaya pinalaganan natin Plaza Mestro nga di jayan kimuna nga Jollibee. Yet from then on, nag-boom the vegan, that the Jollibee nga in panadijay, nagadumet ka na po iti simmaronon nga development for the economy of vegan, naging gala di nagbalin nga syudad. So congratulations sa BCS group of companies. And I'm pretty sure na dito Cabugao will follow suit. Kaya advance congratulations, Cabugao City. The opening of this branch brings with it numerous benefits to our beloved town. It will create employment opportunities for our residents, providing stable jobs and livelihoods for many families in Cabugao. The training and development programs offered by Jollibee are renowned for their excellence, and our local workforce will gain valuable skills in customer service, food preparation, and business management. These skills are transferable and will benefit our community in the long term. Also, the new Jollibee branch will attract more visitors to Cabugao, increasing food traffic and benefiting other local businesses. It will serve as a gathering place for families and friends, fostering a sense of community and shared experience. As your governor, it is my commitment to support and encourage such initiatives that drive our local economic development. Our administration is dedicated to enhancing infrastructure, streamlining business processes, and seeing to it that our province remains a welcoming place for investment. I would also like to extend my congratulations to the local government unit of Cabugao of course, headed by Mayor Josh Gabambang, and all the officials headed by the Vice Mayor, Eddie Boy, your commitment to fostering a business-friendly environment and supporting local economic initiatives has paved the way for this significant achievement. Together, let us celebrate this new chapter with joy and remember that in Jollibee, palaging bida ang saya! Here's to a bright future filled with growth, unity, and endless opportunities for one Cabugao, one Jollibee, one Ilocos. Diyos unay kay Gina.
Diyos na maraming salamat po. I like that emphasis.